Fun facts about birds. All birds have feathers, but not all birds can fly. Penguins are a type of bird that cannot fly. The largest bird in the world is the ostrich. Birds are vertebrates, which means they have backbones. Birds eat insects, fruit, seeds, fish, small mammals, or fish. There are over 10,000 species of birds in the world. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Birds have beaks, but do not have any teeth. All female birds lay eggs. Birds are found on every continent, including Antarctica. Emus can't fly, but run like athletes.